Hi, Dyslexia Genius here, Brad Hurt. My phone number is 864-236-1680. Another question came up online. My speed control knob right here isn't working well. I mean, it's stiff. Over 100 years, moisture, dust in the house, these things rust out because they're both steel. So what you want to do, first we're going to turn the machine on and we're going to make sure that it's playing at the right speed. So a quick test here. Sounds great. I should turn it off. So what you want to do, you want to kind of look at this distance to where it is. So I think, okay, little finger. You're just going to unscrew this all the way out, and you'll feel it get tight. And that's what a speed control knob looks like. But over the years, these get corroded, they get rusty. You might have to clean them with a toothbrush or something. Okay? So all you do is you take your speed control knob. And what I do is I put a little bit of oil in the hole. You screw this back in. And I've seen these things rusted shut. Now you just test it for the speed. And there you go. That's easy. This isn't complicated. And that's my tip for the day.